Hey everyone, winter is here, and I've got a lineup of must-have winter gadgets that'll keep you cozy, warm, and ready for the cold season. From heated gear to smart tech, these Amazon finds are perfect for staying comfortable during winter. Let's jump in. First up, we've got the MRAWARM Heated Gloves. These are a game changer for anyone who spends time outdoors in the cold. With 3 heat settings, your hands will stay warm no matter how low the temperature drops. Perfect for winter sports or even just walking the dog. Next is the Ember Travel Mug 2+- a smart mug warmer that keeps your drink at the perfect temperature. Whether you're at the office or on the go, you'll never have to worry about cold coffee again. Plus, you can control the temperature from your phone. Nothing beats cozying up with a Homemate heated blanket. This blanket has multiple heat settings and is super soft, making it ideal for those cold winter nights. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite show or reading a book, this heated blanket will keep you warm. If you hate shoveling snow, check out these RHS Valley Heater Snow Melting Mats. Just lay them out, and they'll melt the snow on your driveway or sidewalks so you don't have to. It's an easy and effective way to keep your walkways clear during the winter. Need portable warmth? The Warmco electric hand warmers are rechargeable and pocket-sized, giving you hours of warmth. They're perfect for skiing, camping, or just keeping in your jacket during chilly commutes. Cold feet? Not anymore with RELIRELIA heated socks. These socks come with built-in heating elements to keep your feet toasty all day. Whether you're out in the snow or lounging at home, these will keep your toes warm and cozy. Warm up any room quickly with the Dreo Compact Space Heater. It's small but powerful, with multiple heat settings and a safety shutoff. Perfect for home offices or bedrooms, this heater will help you beat the cold in no time. Upgrade your home with the Sensi Touch 2 Smart Thermostat. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, letting you control the temperature with just your voice. It's a smart way to stay warm while also saving on energy costs. For those extra cold days, the Genovega heated scarf is a must-have. This cozy scarf comes with a built-in heater to keep your neck warm. It's perfect for outdoor walks or even just staying comfortable indoors during the winter months. Finally, complete your winter wardrobe with the FURTALK Beanie. It's soft, stylish, and keeps your head warm during the coldest days. Plus, it comes in tons of colors, so you can match it with any winter outfit. And there you have it, winter gadgets that'll help you stay warm and cozy this season. All the links to these products are in the description, so check them out. Let me know which gadget is your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gear reviews. Stay warm, and I'll see you in the next one.